Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today we're looking at Dianthus, and these are also known as pinks, and they're a relation to the carnation and the sweet william plants. So how do we deadhead the Dianthus correctly? Well, I've left some dead flowers on my plant. I'm going to show you how exactly we deadhead the Dianthus. So deadheading will encourage more flowers. Once we chop off the deadheads, it will come out into a second bloom or even a third bloom and just keep coming. So we look at the buds, and if we can see a flower dying, if there's just one bud, we can just cut below the bud. But when the whole stalk, like this, is all dead, then we can cut below, right down the bottom of the stalk. I'll show you what we're going to do. So here we can see the flower has died and it's come on a long stem. So we take our shears, making sure they're clean, and we cut right down the bottom. We don't cut the top off, leaving a dead stem. We go right down to the bottom there. You can see that. And we cut and we remove the whole stem. We don't just cut the top bit off and let that go. If this was still in flower, then we could just cut down the first bit, leave this in flower, and then go all the way down. So here we've got one that's in flower, so I'm going to just cut, and then this one here, we go down and we cut the whole stalk all the way down. If you're collecting seeds, you leave them on. They produce these seed pods, and there might even be some seeds to collect. We could collect the seeds, but I'm going to remove these because I want them blooming again. So cutting away this one all the way down to the bottom, and we'll see if they've got any seeds. They've already been scattered. We go along, cutting them down, and they're going to reshoot and rebloom. Here we go. Simple job, just going round, deadheading. There we go. One more there. Working our way round, and then one at the back here I can see. There we go. So our plant is all deadheaded. Let's keep finding them, snip them out. There we go. So once you've deadheaded the Dianthus, give it a good water, and you can even give it some fertilizer, such as a tomato feed. Give it a good feed, and then it will come back blooming all over again. That's how we deadhead our Dianthus. There we go. So we've deadheaded all of our Dianthus. We've even collected some seeds which we can sow in the garden. And now this is going to have a nice big water and a feed and carry on growing for the rest of the summer. So let me know in the comments, have you got any Dianthus in your garden, or carnations, or sweet williams? Sweet williams grow taller, but Dianthus grow nice in a pot, just like this. Lovely. So let me know in the comments if you've got any Dianthus. And if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. and check out this video, as YouTube will recommend it for a new video. So cheers.